How to log out TikTok account from other devices. First of all, head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, move into Security. Tap on Manage Devices. Well, it will land you on this interface where you will get to see all the list of the devices in which your TikTok account is logged in. So right here you can see these are some of the devices. Now if you want to log out from these devices, what you have to do is just tap on this icon right here and simply tap on Remove. There you go, you have been logged out from this device. Likewise, you simply need to tap on this icon and then tap on Remove. This way you will be able to log out from other devices and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial to log out your TikTok account from other devices. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.